served. Hi guys, welcome to our bubble hotel in Bali. I'm so excited to be doing this video today because this is something that I've seen on Instagram for a while and it's always been on my bucket list. So today I'm finally here. We are staying for one night and that's really because all the reviews online were so mixed. So let me give you guys a little tour and I'll let you guys know what I think about this place. Guys, look at Pat. He's sleeping like a little baby. This is so beautiful. So this is our little bathroom. Literally got the toilet right here in the wild. And our adorable little bamboo shower. Isn't this cute? In the wild. This should be really interesting, using the bathroom later. At least it's a real toilet. Okay, now let's go inside the bubble. So we ended up upgrading. There's actually a few different kinds of bubbles that you can get. And they range from, I think, about $200 or $150 Canadian to about $300. Wow, I can already feel the heat in here. So, this is windy. We got the bigger bubble, which all of these flower petals were an upgrade. They said we've got to shut the bubble off right away or the air can come out and deflate. Wow, this is so cute. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering if there's chargers. Yes, there's chargers so you won't go without your phone. It's like being in an igloo. And it's actually a lot of space in here. This is like a queen size bed. Take a look at the view. Honestly, I can't wait to see the stars tonight. I feel like that's gonna be really amazing. You can just hear the waves crashing and then imagine staring up into the starry night. Oh my God, I am such a hopeless romantic. So yeah, the rose petals were an upgrade. They also entice you into getting a lot of different upgrades, which I fell for. Like, they have bubbles in case you get bored. There's campfire, s'mores. We also got extras like the swing set. I'll show you guys the swing set and the hammock. But obviously there was other extras like food, so I pre-ordered dinner and then I also pre-ordered breakfast. And then cool thing is they also have a photographer as well as someone to shoot a drone if you guys are up for it. So I feel like they definitely add all of this fun stuff so you won't get bored out here. But I mean, how could you even get bored? beautiful natural pools. Insane. It's so beautiful. I've never seen colors like this. So, spent the morning picking seashells. They're so beautiful. This one. I could spend hours looking for seashells on the beach. This one's like glass. The local lady literally found all these seashells and made a little anklet. New side hustle, seashell jewelry. This literally feels like paradise. It's so beautiful. So just a few tips for you guys. It's a 25-minute hike to get down here. You can see we came from the top of this mountain. And so make sure you wear comfortable shoes. They basically tell you that you have to bring only a small bag of your essentials, which completely makes sense because it's such a crazy hike. So bring a second bag of only the things that you need. This is basically like glamping. You are literally in a beautiful tent, I guess you could call it. So there are 2 bubble hotels in Bali. The first one is in Uluwatu. I think I'm saying that right. And the second one is on the southern point of Bali near Uluwatu. So we ended up booking the one on Uluwatu. It's really awesome because we've got really a private beach here. There's a few bubbles here, so it's definitely not as secluded as I thought, because as you can see, we have a little neighbor like right next to us, other hammock. Definitely looks everything like the photos that you see on the gram. And this is exactly what I wanted to experience, because honestly when I saw it, it was such a unique Airbnb concept that I was just like, I have to come here and try it, even if it's just for one night. There were so many mixed reviews online, and I get it. There's no air conditioning in here, so it's definitely smoking hot. But since I'm here during August, it's actually cool season, so it's not as hot as what it would normally. Overall, I would definitely recommend this experience, at least for one night. For myself, I'd probably only do it for one night because I want to come back to a real shower and bathroom